Hey, let's jump right into this explainer. We've got an urgent opening for an electrical and mechanical assembler.
Okay, let's dive into this. The role pays a highly competitive rate of $34 an hour.
That rate actually comes plus superannuation, and you'll be working right out in the super convenient Mulgrave suburbs. Now, heads up on the timeline. It's a fast-paced, strictly 2-week temporary contract over in Melbourne's eastern region.
Recruited their engineering people, this is your shot to jump into a growing, totally cutting-edge tech company.
Now, what's really interesting here is the precision needed. You'll solder 1mm cables and cut stainless steel tubes. You also gotta have solid terminal crimping skills, be able to read engineering diagrams, and actually construct equipment. Let's see how this builds. You need your own transport, great communication, and a total can-do team player attitude. Here's the catch. It starts ASAP. But man, they are offering some absolutely excellent working conditions. So the crucial point is this. Submit your resume online, then call Peter Horsfall with your availability. They say, this is the position you've been waiting for. So are you ready to make that call?